If your agents are typing the same recipient, same subject line, and same message body every single time they escalate a ticket, you are throwing away real support capacity. Zendesk macros can start side conversations automatically, and this is the complete setup guide. Think about how many times your team contacts the same engineering inbox or the same billing team each day. Every one of those interactions means finding the right email, writing context from scratch, and hoping the format is consistent. That is the problem macros solve. Before you build your first macro, check 3 things. You need Zendesk Suite Professional or Higher with the collaboration add-on. Side conversations must be enabled under Admin Center, Agent Tools. And to create shared macros for your whole team, you need administrator access, though agents can always build personal ones. Zendesk macros support 3 side conversation channels. Email works best for external contacts like vendors or shipping partners. Slack is faster for internal team pings where you need a quick response. Child tickets create a fully tracked handoff to another group with their own workflow and ticket lifecycle. This is what the macro side conversation configuration looks like inside Zendesk. You get a dedicated actions panel where you fill in the recipient or channel, the subject line, and the message body. Everything you configure here becomes a one-click action for any agent on your team. Open Admin Center and follow this path: Workspaces, then Agent Tools, then Macros. This is the central hub for creating, editing, and organizing every macro in your Zendesk instance. All personal and shared macros live here. Click Create Macro in the top right corner. The name you give it is the first thing agents see when they search for it, so be specific. Include the team name, the channel, and the scenario, something like escalate to engineering. Email tells agents exactly what they are about to send. In the action section, open the drop-down and look for the side conversation options. You will see 3, via email, via Slack, and via child ticket. Choose the one that matches your escalation channel. The fields that appear next will differ depending on which one you pick. This is where macros become genuinely powerful. Instead of static text, you use placeholders that pull live ticket data when the agent applies the macro. Ticket ID, ticket URL, customer name, customer email, the original message, and the agent's own name all populate automatically. No copy-pasting, no formatting errors. Click Create to save the macro. Before you roll it out, test it on a real sample ticket. 2 things to keep in mind. The side conversation opens immediately when the macro is applied, but it is not sent until the agent clicks Send, and any ticket field changes only save after the agent submits the ticket. The blog post includes 4 copy-ready templates you can adapt today: an engineering bug escalation by email, an urgent Slack alert for your support channel, a billing team handoff via child ticket, and a vendor inquiry email with full order context. Each one uses placeholders so your agents never need to type customer details by hand. Macros are a strong foundation, but they still need an agent to recognize the situation and click the button. Eesel AI takes the next step. It connects directly to your Zendesk, learns from your help center and past tickets, and resolves entire categories of routine tickets without any manual involvement. You can run it in simulation mode first to see exactly how it would have handled your past conversations before going live. If you want to see what automated Zendesk support looks like beyond macros, try Eesel AI free for 7 days at eesel.ai. No credit card required, no complex configuration. Just connect your Zendesk and start resolving tickets.